This is a healing white light meditation. It's about allowing the light of universal love to flow into every fiber of your being, to uplift you, to expand you, and to help you feel deep, deep levels of inner peace. Begin to focus on your breath. Notice how it feels as you inhale slowly, and notice how it feels as you exhale. Notice the rhythm. And know that however you breathe is right. Trust that your inhale and exhale are exactly as they're meant to be. And with every inhale, feeling a deeper and deeper sense of calm. And with every exhale, releasing and letting go of any tension, any efforting, letting it all go. Inhaling peace and calm, and releasing anything that's bothering you, surrendering it to the divine, letting go, letting go, letting go. Noticing how every inhale feels, how peaceful and calm it's inviting you to be. Notice how safe it feels to breathe, simply to breathe. Notice any tension and anxiety dissolving on each out breath, releasing and surrendering that back to the universe. Surrendering it into the hands of the divine, trusting in the in-breath and trusting in the out-breath. Noticing an expansion, a spaciousness, creating space inside. Next, bring your energy all the way down to the soles of your feet, and imagine and notice white light. The soles of your feet are made of white light, a warm, safe light. And begin to feel that moving from the soles of your feet, filling up your feet. And as it fills your feet, you feel a deeper sense of peace and calm in your feet. Moving up into your ankles, allowing that white light to release any tension, any energy that you've stored, anything you're ready to release and let go of. Releasing and letting go. And then feeling that white light within you expanding and growing and moving up through your calves, up through your lower legs. The healing, gentle, loving energy. Gentle energy, loving light, the light that you are, unwinding and releasing and letting go anything you're ready to let go of. And feeling that white light move through your knees, nourishing and loving up through your upper legs, through your quads, through your thighs, cleansing, clearing, creating space. White light, the light that you are, allowing you to release and let go anything that you're ready to let go of. And allowing that white light within you to flow into your pelvic area, allowing it to clear and release any tension, any energy that you need to let go of, any thoughts, any emotions that no longer serve you, leaving behind only peace and calm. And inhaling that peace and calm, releasing, releasing and releasing any energies that you're ready to let go of, and allowing that energy to move up through your hips into your belly, filling the space with the white light that you are. And from this space, just releasing and letting go of anything you're ready to let go of. And then beginning to feel that light expanding through the rest of your body, up through your chest and your shoulders and your arms and your neck and your face and your head, trusting without thought, without effort, that your being is filled with the white light that you are. You have always been made of white light. You will always be white light. You simply have to inhale And exhale. Inhale and trust. And remember the white light of your soul, the white light that's interconnected with universal love, universal consciousness, without thought, without effort, just knowing, allowing your soul to be, freeing your soul, and allowing your body to fill with white light. Knowing that with every in-breath, you're healing and releasing, filling every fiber of your being with the healing white light. The white light that is already within you. And just take a few moments to allow it to do whatever it needs to do without thought, just trusting and knowing that you're safe. And now we're going to just let it be. We're going to trust that that white light will always be there. And whenever we close our eyes and consciously feel it, we can allow that healing energy to heal anything within us that no longer serves us, that we're ready to let go of. So beginning to consciously focus again on the breath. Inhaling all the way down to your base chakra, down past the pelvic area, inhaling and feeling that connection all the way through, down into Mother Earth. Allow your energy to ground. And allow that energy of white light to fill your being at the same time. And we're going to do 3 big inhales and consciously release any remaining energy that you're ready to let go of. Let's inhale and release on the exhale. Inhale and release. One more time. Deep inhale through every fiber of your being and releasing. And returning your breath back to normal breath. Relaxed and calm, wiggling your toes, wiggling your fingers, reconnecting with your humanness, reconnecting with your body, and trusting in that healing process of white light. gratitude and thank you.